Snow is not in yet. And I'm waiting from the market to show some direction. Okay, snow is in. Hopefully it's going to work out nicely. I want to go for $1 as a first partial. Yes, DVG, me as well. To tell the truth, somehow I feel that might we are taking the direction to the upside again. Snow first partial just before 149. Let's just let it run. So you close your Tesla, right? I mean the short, because now it's just moving up. Triple Q. See? $292.50 what I see here, DVG, but yes, I see what you mean. It's just going up and down between the VWAP and the 292.50. A breakout could help a lot, even for NVDA to go over the 169. I'm watching it as well. Chinese stocks are pulling back. But slow is going, so this is good. Have 50 cents in the money. Well, let's wait. Yes, we should get like $1 from the snow, or at least an 80-90 cents. Market is still struggling. Like I've seen a nice drive to the upside, but I just still missing the strength here, the direction. For snow, it would be nice to get a little support from the market. Yes, on NVDA, I'm watching NVDA, I'm watching. I just, without the triple Q, I don't know if we should take it. Now I would take it only over 169, like over the run number. I just feel it's a bit overdone for the day. We need the triple Q for that. Okay, traders, snow is getting close to our partialing point. I'm going to take 3/4 out, 220 shares, and it's on 88 on the snow. Beautiful. It's very close. 149. Here it is. We can take a partial, and I'm going to put my stop loss 147.80. 147.80. I still did not click the button. Here it is. We went again under 149. I've just sold 3/4 of my share size, and my stop loss is going to be slightly under the 148. Okay, thank you. Yeah, that was quick in a slow market, so I have chosen the good stock. You're welcome, Tom. And now, let's see a move, market. We need a move. Okay, let's just get here save. No, save is not doing what we thought. I put here NVDA. And SQ is strong, but not my favorite. How about Roku? Roku was a beast yesterday. Such a strong stock. Okay, Roku looks like the same as the snow, traders. I just miss a little bit more volume here on the green candles, but Roku looks interesting over 99 as well. I'm going to watch Roku. And of course, good old Tesla. One green, one red on the indices. This is not helping to decide the direction. Yes, Philip, in this I agree. However, the daily chart looks like a nice continuation to the upside from this triple bottom. And yes, that's why I told you that we need to see a little bit more buying pressure, but I agree that the Roku is still not ready. ZM. Yes, it's too late now to join the party at zeros, but looks very nice. I'm going to watch it maybe instead of the save on the ZM. How about the oil stocks? They are not doing too much. Yes, at zeros, I just keep an eye on the Chinese stocks, especially on the PDD. I like this buying pressure in the last green candles before the consolidation. Looks like a nice continuation pattern over 65.70. And I'm thinking on coin as well over this 62. And don't forget Microsoft traders. Even Microsoft can be a strong one. But we need to get it over the VWAP. Meta. Checking Meta. Other screen. Went a little bit too much on the daily, but you know what? If the triple Q is going to break, I think Meta can have another run, rather over 75 on the Meta, but looks interesting. Yes, this 169, which is annoying a little bit for me on the NVDA. Okay, traders know is still running. I put my stop loss just to break even now. $148, 147.93, and let it run. Yes, this is what we need exactly at zeros. You got the point. We need volume here. But maybe not on the Chinese stocks. That's why I am watching PDD. BABA, it's not the best. PDD, I like it better. LI, still going up. It's unbelievable. Wow, yes. Yes, you are right. LI, it's nice. LI is nice. Only this daily, it's a bit tricky. Maybe now only over 40, 30. And Amazon. Checking Amazon. Yes, it's very close to the high of the day. No entry for me, but watching it. I like Microsoft. I like PDD over 65.70. Watching coin as well, and Microsoft definitely over the 264.70. Ally, it's a bit scary for me. I like this intraday breakout pattern. I just don't like the daily too much. I prefer, if we are talking about Chinese stocks, maybe PDD can be a better runner. Let's see. Yes, no, it still continues, trader. Next profit-taking partial is before 150. Tesla is starting to move. And at the end, NVIDIA is moving. Come on, market. Look at Tesla. Wow, Tesla is getting close to the high of the day. It was 738. If Tesla is breaking out, this can move the SPY more to the upside. Okay. All of the indices are getting close to the highs. That's good. RCL is just does not stop. Unbelievable. Yes, at zeros, there is no strength. We miss this strength which we have seen since the beginning of the day. Now it's just fading away a little bit. Traders, on the snow, I changed my stop loss just under 149, like 140, 48.50 is going to be my stop loss. And I am checking Microsoft now. I just try to compare the entries here, the setups, and I really like snow over 265. No, not snow, sorry, Microsoft. I'm not that brave to take PDD. Thank you for the info at zeros. It's very valuable info. Yes, there are lots of things in this move to the upside. There were the bank stress tests. They were kind of okay as well. Testimony of Powell. And as I see more and more big traders, I mean big investment houses, are trying to find undervalued stocks for investing. But I am not sure if it's not too early yet. It's just my opinion. AFRM, I like it very much over 23 as well, with a clear stop loss under 2260. We'll take this as well. Yes, yeah, as I've told you, if Tesla helps us here with the breakout, SPY can start a party again up to the 390s level. That would be nice. Yes, DVG, I agree. It should break the VWAP for the Apple. If both of them are heading to the north, Apple and Tesla, this can be a very, very strong run towards the highs again at the end of the day. But we need this to see before that. Snow is still continues, $1.50 in the money. And let's see if AFRM can do it. I want to see like 40 cents for the first partial. Short PDD. I am not sure I would do that. If you are playing for this consolidation to break the 65.40, do it for this 40 cents. For me, it still looks like a stronger one. Capiel. Maybe I would go with the trend rather. You're welcome. Yes, at zeros, it's very much exhausted, the whole market. Triple Q is up on this 292, 30, 40 level. It really should break it. A fat pump. Oh, yeah. Yes, coin is getting ready over 62. However, I prefer rather the Microsoft over 265 if I should choose. And AFRM should start. If it's not starting in some minutes, that's not a good news for us. Come on, AFRM, 40 cents. Market is still weak to break, unfortunately. How about Roblox? Traders, look at Roblox. RBLX. Nice move over the VWAP, kind of okay. Pressure on the buying side, but now the entry is only over 36.20 with a stop loss under 35.67. Not the best risk-reward ratio. Let's see. Oh no, market, don't do that. Break out, please. Look at this, it's just pulling back. Come on, SPY, don't give up. No, at zeros. Run out of strength. We just run out of the strength here. But at least snow is still going. We're getting ready for another partial on 149.90 traders. You know what? I'm not going to be greedy. 149.80. Solar power. Yeah, let's see the solar stocks. Sun. It was upgraded but low volume. SPWR. Indeed, it does not look bad. Or run. You know what? Run looks nice at zeros. You just get me a nice idea here with the run and the solar stocks. That's funny. Look at run. It just broke out unfortunately now, but looks really great. Okay, at zeros. Go for it. I like this Microsoft better and better, to tell the truth, especially if the market is still fighting for this break. But my entry should be just over 265 with a stop loss under 264. Yes, run looks good. I just missed the entry now over the VWAPs. I'm waiting for a continuation pattern here, or slow consolidation. Traders, oh, snow. Snow is on our second partialing point. Beautiful. So $2 now on the snow. And I am ready to take another partial here. Okay, snow partialing, stop loss. I'm going to put stop loss 148.90. Second partial done, and stop loss 148.90. AFRM is not doing what I wanted to see here. I still give a chance for the AFRM, but you know what? If it's breaking the 22.95, I'm out. I'm not going to lose too much on this. Tesla is pulling back. This is not good for the SPY, but SPY does not care too much now. Yes, Amazon over the high. I don't like daily high breaks in the afternoon, but if you want to take it, NASDAQ, do it. Just be careful. Maybe it's going to be just a... However, I think 116 is a nice play. And if we get a pressure, nice buying pressure on the indices side, this can be a flyer. I'm just saying, okay. So you mean like this can give some strength for the market as well, which I totally agree. Tesla is not moving so far. Snow second partial done. Almost in $2. On the snow, I don't know if it is able to break the 150 level. If it does, Probably we can go $2 more than on this trade. That would be great. NVDA 169.40, 169.40 looks very nice. We just need the market for that, but looks okay at zeros on the NVDA. I still prefer Microsoft over 265, and I am going to call it as well, the Microsoft, because it's just laying exactly on the VWAP. I like these breakouts. 265.05, stop loss $1 on the Microsoft. Okay, AFRM is looks like it's just giving up slowly. Okay. Come on, AFRM, 10 more cents and I leave you alone. I promise. $150 on the snow. Wow. Look at Baba. Baba wants to break the highs. Chinese stocks looks like they are getting strong again for the afternoon. Triple Q, we broke with the triple Q the 292.50. Which can be great for our Microsoft long play if the technological stocks just show some strength here. So Snow is still running, stop loss just slightly under 149. AFRM is still in, but you know what? I just put my stop loss slightly under 23, so I'm not going to lose more than 5-6 cents on that trade. And I'm waiting for Microsoft over the 265. And I don't know if you took it at zeros on the NVDA. Hopefully, it's going to get you at least to this 170. You took it, okay. Good luck with the trade. Okay, Microsoft is not in yet. Oh, come on, AFRM. No, AFRM is not going to do it. I'm out on 97 with 5 cents stop loss on the AFRM. If it's coming back under 23, I don't want to see that. And 10 minutes till the last power hour on this week, traders. QDVG. Microsoft is getting very close now. But the market did not succeed breaking out, unfortunately. Okay, Microsoft is still not in. I'm waiting for that. AFRM is still holding. DVG, this is like a good news, all in all, I would say. These are huge things, by the way. Yes, I think it was a good decision at zeros. The whole market is just playing around. Very close for a breakout, but not the real thing here. As I've told you, I am out in 5 cents stop loss on the AFRM instead of 40, and I'm still waiting for the Microsoft to enter. However, I give a second thought for that with this market. Very nice, DVG. Well done. Traders, by the way, do you have any tips or tricks to defeat flu very quickly, like for tomorrow? I need to be healthy for tomorrow. Tea, lemon, and honey. I know. I just drank it all day. Now I'm drinking finally water because usually I drink only water all day. Lemon juice. Zinc, hot water, lemon, and ginger. Yes, Brian, thank you. Elderberry syrup, Joshua, really? Vitamin D, I have it. I get today vitamin D, vitamin C, zinc as well. Oregano, Jim. I love oregano, by the way. Maybe I just order a big pizza with lots of oregano. Does it count? DVG, I just wish for workout. I just got a beautiful new Reebok treadmill from my husband and I could use only once because of this flu. Sleep a lot. This is a dream as well, but thank you. Sugar, I'm staying away from sugar for 10 years now, Joshua, so it's not it's not a very hard thing for me. Yes, this I'm going to do in the evening, like just to keep hydrated and sleep in big blankets. Thank you, DVG. Bye. Thank you for the tricks and tips, traders. I am definitely going to use the ginger, lemon, hot water, and honey. And let's see. Let's hope for the best. But thank you. It's very nice from you to help. Okay, traders. In the meantime, market has no breakout yet. We are waiting patiently. And look at our AFRM is still doing here something. Another consolidation at least. So our stop loss is more than valid now. Wasabi? I just ate some sushi for lunch with a lot of wasabi, Jess, but thank you. I still have some. I love wasabi, by the way. And meditate, yes. Okay. I will try everything. All right, traders. But first, before I start my big fight against flu this evening, I want to finish a beautiful trading day. So far, we are not doing bad, not too many trades, but at least one nice trade, one nice winner on the snow. AFRM, now we are just in a 5 cents stop loss. So let's take it or leave it. And I'm waiting for the Microsoft. And of course, with the Microsoft for the market as well. Tesla doesn't want to break out, and this is not a good news. Together with at least the Apple is already over the VWAP, if I see it right. Yes, but it does not want to continue. 4 minutes, and we will see the final decision on the market, I think. Rivian is in minus, traders, minus 0.61 on the Rivian. With higher volume, it looks like a continuation to the downside under 29.25. I don't know what happened on Rivian. A little bit looks like a news-driven moves here. Oh, AFRM. Thank you, Steve. You too. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. And see you on Monday. Okay, traders, I see some more volume is coming in towards to the final hour, the power hour on the market. If we see a breakout, we can have a beautiful trade on the Microsoft and in the AFRM as well. Microsoft is in. Good luck. AFRM is still fighting, and the coin does look better and better over this 62, by the way. SPY is just on the highs. Triple Q is not yet, but SPY is breaking out. 387.88 is the highest point on the SPY today. Let's see if we can break it. GME is breaking down. Let's see. Oh yes, why GME is so extremely weak today? Maybe some news, but I don't remember I read any news on the GME. But yes, you are right. Might it can even touch 130 today, VG on the GME. Snow is fighting in the 150. This is good news for another break. Microsoft is holding about 250, 265. And hopefully Apple is breaking this consolidation here over the 140, 141. Coin is moving towards to the 62. Put coin here. And power hour officially began. We should see some moves now. Come on. Yeah, choppiness just started, traders. And unfortunately, AFRM is almost out. That's not good. We are moving down. This is not a good sign so far for the last hour. AFRM is out with a very small loser. Microsoft is still holding, but we need the market immediately to turn around and go up. Okay, Tesla is moving down, Apple is moving down. I don't want to see Microsoft to break the VWAP. This is not a good sign. If you get coin over 62, then good luck. Fortunately, Microsoft is not doing what it should. And I'm afraid that we will just give back some profit at the end of the day. Tesla is moving down. SPY is still fighting, but the Apple and the Tesla are moving down. This is not good to see. SPY does not want to give up. This is great. Come on, market, don't give up. At least for another push on the Microsoft. After that, you can give it up. Yes, I'm watching it, Gazi. I'm just looking for some shorts. Listen, in the worst scenario, we can short the whole market, like buying some SQQQ because the Apple is breaking down. But I am still not sure if it's not a trap. However, the Tesla makes it a little bit clearer if we break the VWAP. And if the Apple continues, then I'm thinking to buy some SQQQ. See you, Silverio. Have a nice weekend. And Amazon is still on the highs, traders. It really wants to break out. Yes, Kapil, Chinese stocks are still very strong, especially BABA. I don't know if PDD did the job. Oh, it did. And I did not take it over the 65.70, almost $1 in the money. I see coin doesn't want to give up either over the 62 level. If you took it over 62, I would take a partial like on a 50 cent and then let it run if it's going to run. Power hours so far it's not that powerful as I thought it would be. OC. Avance Corning. The daily is not that good. As I see, you want to take a short on OC under 70, 75.30 with a stop loss over 75.60 rather. 30 cents. You can try it, Gazi, if you want. It's not bad. Just put here OC. However, there is not such a huge strength in this company or stock either. This can be a problem, unfortunately, but let's see. Market is still on the highs. I mean, at least the SPY. Kapil, what do you mean? Like private mentoring or weekly mentoring? I do both, by the way. Yes, yes, I will do it. Maybe next week or after that, I will check it. Okay, you have only one thing to do, to write this to your account manager, please, and he will give the answer how to do it. Okay? You're more than welcome to teach you, of course. Traders, look at snow. We are over 150 again. However, on the snow, we did another very nice consolidation, and we can put our stop loss now just under 149.30. Okay, 149.30, the new stop loss on the snow. And let's see Microsoft if we can get at least like a 40-50 cents on that. You are very welcome, Kapil. What I don't like on the whole market is the weakness in the Apple traders. I mean, it's not weak because we are up 1.4, but it's just heading back to the 140. And if we are going to break the 140 to the downside, then might or Microsoft is not going to do the job. And Apple is giving up. Come on, Apple, do a reversal on 140, please. Traders, AFRM is just dancing on this 23 since then. No move, unfortunately. And Apple still does not look so good. It's not good at all. At least Snow is doing the job, but nothing else so far. Microsoft is trying to pull back to us to the 265 again. Hopefully at this time it's going to succeed and break it as well and get us this 50 cents partial. Yes, come on, Microsoft. I know you can do it. How about FedEx? FedEx was strong today as well. Oh, Not anymore. SPY back on the highs. Only Snow and Microsoft are my live trades, and Snow is ready to break the 150. That's great, traders. Might we will have a $3 winner here. That would be great. All right, yes, finally some move, traders. We just need 40 more cents on the Microsoft and $1 more on the Snow. Let's see, Revlon. Wow, Revlon is on fire again. I forgot this stock. It's a beautiful runner today. Unbelievable. I'm going to put it here. No entry now. I'm just watching. Thank you, Rodrigo. Traders, the Snow stop loss is going to stay under 149.40. 149.40. On the Microsoft, I still trying. Still don't give up with the trade. However, it really should break out now. We are in the last 40 minutes. And the market wants to break out, as I see. For an hour, at least now. Hopefully in the last half an hour. It's going to succeed with the breakout, and we can cash in Microsoft and the Snow with $3. Snow, come on, Microsoft, come on. You were so close to break. 265 for good. Snow is unstoppable today. We are going to reach 151 for sure. On the daily, we have the 20 EMA on 150. Where is that exactly? 152. But on the way, we have a pivot R2 at 151.80. Let's see if we can get there to the 151.80. That would be great. Market is not giving up on the highs, but it is not able to break out. Not an easy situation. But at least it's still strong. Let's see, Ray, the weekly chart. I just check it. Yes, you are right. On the weekly, the market looks like a beautiful, you can call it like a bullish engulfing. And yes, we can have another green week, maybe. Let's see. Okay, Microsoft, finally. And we are getting close to the R2 with the snow. I don't know how many stocks you have. If you have only like 50 shares left, I would not take another partial, but I would put my stop loss just slightly under 150 with the snow. If you still have more stocks, then you can take another partial around 151. Let's see how it can fight with the 151. And I want to see a 50 cents on the Microsoft. You are still looking for shorts, Kazi? Let's see. Shorted PDD for a top reversal, as I see, right? Ah, you want to short PDD. I don't know, it was strong all day. You want to go for a top reversal, as I see. Only under 66.40 maybe, but it's a little bit risky. Be careful with that. Market is getting more choppy traders. I suggest you, if you are beautifully into the green, I would not really risk my hard-earned profit from today. Especially on counter trend trading, especially on shorts, especially on a SPY, which looks like it's breaking out. All right, come on, Snow. Let's get us a $3 winner here. Microsoft is still fighting. Disney, wow, a beautiful result. Well done, but next time try to get or try to do the only the 1500 green without the 800 red. Okay, I don't like this Microsoft price action here, traders. Didn't got my 50 cents so far, and I'm really afraid of the market that it's going to pull down towards the end. However, we keep nicely on the up, I mean on the highs. I don't know. I just don't want to lose my hard-earned money in here. So I still give a little chance for this, but if it's not going to prove, right, I'm going to close it under 265 if it is breaking again. I bet, Disney, I bet. SPY is on the highs. Triple Q is not on the high yet. And the Apple is fighting with the VWAP. They really need Microsoft to break through this 256.20s now. If it is not able and pulling back under 265, I'm thinking to dump it. I just don't want to be a part of this craziness towards to the end of the day. Apple is coming down. It's not good. Another partial can be done on the snow. And if Microsoft cannot hold over 256, I'm rather getting out. It's better to close two small loser and one big winner. My stop loss on the snow now is just under 150, 190, 149.90, 149.90. And the last chance for the Microsoft to prove us it is able to go to the 50s. I see Tesla is pulling back, Apple is pulling back. And we have half an hour left, a little bit more than a half an hour, traders. Good, Kapil. Snow is still doing very nicely. Microsoft is trying again. Wow, it's very painful, this Microsoft. I thought it's going to be a little bit quicker to the upside. Revlon is really strong. Such a shame I was not checking this stock today at all. I feel like a lots of choppiness here, traders, with the market. I'm not going to be greedy. And might I close just a 30 cents on the Microsoft? 37 now. Oh, beautiful. We are going now. I'm ready to take a partial. 80% is out. I don't want to be involved in this choppiness in the last half an hour. Maybe we will see a big choppy moves on the market, and Microsoft is going to be included as well. Here we are, 41, 42. Market is still holding, and I am just taking a partial, and I put my stop loss to break even. Okay, stop loss to break even, and let's see what the market is going to do at the end of the day. Snow reached the partialing point as well, and I put my stop loss on the snow just slightly under 150. So 35 cents done on the Microsoft. Not that good as I planned, but I did not think it's going to last so long to take the first partial, and stop loss to break even. Let's see if the market is able to break out. If not, we had a good 35-cent partial. I still leave snow to run with the stop loss under 150, and no more trades at the moment. Yoni, good night. Have a great weekend to you as well, and we are waiting for you, of course, on Monday. Okay, Microsoft done. Snow is still going. And I'm really interested in this last half an hour move on the market traders, because the SPY is not giving up the highs at all. EFRM is not moving since then. Let it snow. Wow, yes. It's just a beast today. I'm very happy for this trade. It was really a multiple dollar winner. Other two trades were not that good, but I just did what I could. I regret this PDD not to take it, but I was a bit afraid of this Chinese stocks. I always have like a little fear of the Chinese stocks traders. AMD short, checking. The AMD. Did you short it already on this small inverted cup and handle? Because now I would not just jump in. Okay, all right. Around the VWAP, you can take a partial or the round number. Traders, Microsoft is pulling back. Be careful with the stop loss. It's on my break even. I think the partialing was just on time. If something takes such a long time to break out and continue, usually I just don't like to wait for it, because especially on Friday in the last half an hour, because the chances are getting slower and lower that it's going to be a very successful trade. Ooh, Baba, huge pullback. Apple, huge pullback. Okay, snow just stopped finally as well. Well, not finally. And as I told you, stop loss just under 150, but only with like 20 shares, not too much. Yes, everything is pulling back now. Good timing on the AMD, Gazi. And this is the final profit taking on the market as I see. All right, Microsoft is out. Snow not yet. And we started the real choppiness towards to the end of the day with some profit taking. What happened with LCID? LCID is in negative as well, together with GVN. However, NEO and LI, they were very strong today. Last 20 minutes is getting close, traders. I have no other trade, only snow. The stop loss under 150. Microsoft is out. Choppiness is here, and market, unbelievable, pulling back towards to the highs again. Very strong buying pressure today. Right, traders, I changed my stop loss on the snow under 150.40, 150 and 40. And surprisingly, NVIDIA and Tesla, they just did not move at all, together with Amazon. However, Amazon was just on the highs. How about Meta? Meta neither. So the big technological stocks, I think they just got very exhausted in the beginning of the day. It was big moves on them, but after that, they just stopped moving. Microsoft is up again. I'm out. How about Netflix? Did not move too much today. And look at the SPY. It is just breaking out in the last 20 minutes, traders. I think we have a great chance for another green day on Monday. But if we take a look at the daily chart, traders, we are still in this lower high, lower low. And I assume that might we are going to pull back towards to the 400 next week. There is another push on the snow over one. Capiel, are you still in PDD short? This just broke the 66 level. Very nice. I would take a partial now if you have not taken it yet. I think this is the time for taking a partial. Okay. Market is breaking out. Even the Apple is getting stronger, but the Tesla is just not moving. No, but you know what, Capio, the Chinese stocks, lots of times they are just living their own life. Like they do not care about the market too much most of the time. Yes, Kevin, this is what I was just telling that I'm totally surprised that Tesla did not join the party. And new daily high on the SPY. Amazing. I don't know, Kevin, if it is able to move at all. It has only 15 minutes left to prove something on the Tesla. But as I told you, not only Tesla moved like so weird among the big stocks. It was like NVDA as well, Meta, Amazon. They were not moving too much. Welcome, Tom. Have a beautiful weekend. If your stop loss was not that tight on Microsoft as mine, that maybe you can reach another 50 cents on display. Thank you, Brian. Good night to you as well. You are very welcome. Come on, Snow. One more dollar. Or am I getting a little bit more greedy here? We had a $4 winner yesterday on the coin as well. Apple is getting very close now. Not that close to the high, sorry. Tried the wrong. Here we are. Now we are far away from the close or from the high with the Apple, but not that much with the triple Q. That's interesting. I think if we break the high, the daily high with the triple Q, that means a strong Monday start. Thank you very much, Kapil. Nice short on the PDD. Have a great weekend, and we are waiting for you, of course, in the guidance room or in the main room on Monday. Oh, really? Okay. Mac is a great guy. I'm sure he will do it. See you, Mazdak. Have a beautiful weekend. See you in the guidance room on Monday. Okay, traders, finally I see some move on the Tesla as well to the upside. However, it's still moving in this consolidation. And the snow almost got this 152. Now it's breaking down. So I'm going to get out under 151, like 150, under 150.50 I'm out of the trade. Okay? Under 150 and 50 I'm out. Little bit more than 10 minutes left. Only snow is running. Don't think so I'm going to take any other trade traders. I just keep my nice green. Microsoft is pulling back as well, so if you are still in, watch out for the stop loss, please. How about Roblox? Did it do the breakout? Let's see. It was not a huge breakout on the Roblox. So stop loss on the snow, final stop loss is under 150 and 50. Yes, Kevin, I see some move. I just told 2 minutes ago that finally I see some moves on the Tesla towards to the upside. Maybe you are right. We will see a nice spike to the upside towards to the end of the day. But Argos just kick in 1 minute, traders. Be ready. That's why I put my stop losses no under 150.50. And here they go. Chop, chop, chop. Wow, look at NVIDIA, guys. What a huge choppy green candle. And yes, Kevin, you were right. Tesla is spiking up. together with Microsoft. Let's see if snow is going to continue as well or follow them. Well, I don't think so. We are going to reach 750 today, but maybe on Monday. No, me neither. I'm just watching. Yes. Amazon broke out as well. So far, Microsoft as well. But Snow has no more strength left, which is like not a surprise. It did a huge run since 2 p.m. SPY is amazing. We are getting close to the 390. Yeah, looks like shorts are giving up here. And finally, AFRM did it. Oh, it's okay. Only 20 cents, but at least it did. Okay, Snow is still in traders. Of course, if it's not going to get under the 150.50, then I'm going to close it in like 5 minutes. So far, we had a great lunch session with Danny with beautiful trades and not that bad afternoon either in the last 2 hours. And look at this Microsoft. I knew it. Why I could not do it like 20 minutes ago? NVIDIA moving, Amazon moving, Tesla tried to break the high, did not succeed so far. Coin is moving as well. I don't know if you took coin or not, but here is the partialing point on the coin. Kevin, no, I would not. You know, it's still lots of things going on in this world, especially on the geopolitical levels. You know, it's a weekend, 2 days, too long. Anything can happen. So in this environment, I'm rather not holding the SPY, or I would not. All right, traders, no, I am getting ready to close. We are heading in the last 5 minutes. Oh, you are in already on the SPY. Not with a high or a big share size, Kevin. Like not with a full share size, definitely. That's 384. It's not a bad entry on that. Huge run towards to the end of the day, traders. 5 minutes left. I'm ready to close an almost a $4 winner on the snow. We had one huge winner, one small winner, and one kind of a very small loser. And I'm just closing my snow trade. Okay. Yes, Kevin, that's why I tell you that the things are a little bit shaky here, especially on the geopolitical levels. So maybe just get the money and run. To $4 winner. Microsoft did the move at the end together with the AFRM, but I was not holding on to this because, you know, towards to this end of the day, especially on Friday, you don't know what's going to happen. It could have been like a profit-taking pullback as well. That's why I take it rather a smaller profit, but the sure one. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lunch session and the afternoon session with me. Very strong day what we are going to close with the market. I assume if hopefully if nothing bad is going to happen, like bad news during the weekend, we have a great chance to start next week green and strong. I really appreciate your time to be with us today, and I'm going to wait for you in the guidance room and of course in the main room. On Monday, I'm going to be with you from 11:30 till 2 p.m. as Michael's still going to be out of the town, and I'm going to take the lunch session on Monday. Thank you, YouTube traders. See you on Monday. Bye, everyone, and thank you, Clifton, Gabe. Bye.